Hello everyone, this is Kimberly. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you short cut style with the curl. This is how it looks. There are a lot of curls at the bottom. And the color is the lightest brown, like the chocolate color. And this is made of the synthetic fiber, the high quality, and the fiber is very thin, so it's very lightweight, so it looks very natural. It's let's start to take a look at the details. Ta-da! And this is the tone of the color. It's very light. The texture is very soft. Lace front wig. It has monofilament top. It's 100% hand tied, so it'll be shown like this. It looks like your own scalp. So you can part any way you want, or you can just drop it naturally, right and left side. And there is a silk base at the forehead line, right here. So it's very soft and smooth. So it doesn't make any itch scalp. Or if you want to secure the lace wig like this, you can apply the lace tape right here, but not the right away on this side. You can just put your lace tape on your forehead line right here. And the finish line is very perfect. There is adjustable band right here. And the webs are sewn very sturdy. And it has open breathable cap, and it's very stretchable. It's very light. So like this, the style wig, you can style easily just using your finger. If you want to like this part, you can part like this, just drop it. And using your finger, the finger comb like this. So it goes like the opposite direction, so it looks very natural. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.